Ciao. Anyway, so
Hello guys, so I just finished my evening meditation for day 8. I need to wake up really early in the morning. I guess I'm gonna record a small video tomorrow morning after I finish my meditation because I have work tomorrow and usually I wake up really early, so I need to wake up like from 15 to 30 minutes earlier than I usually do because I need to do my meditation early in the morning before I go to work because tomorrow is a really busy day and I will never have a chance to do my meditation even at work. So I need to do it before I go to work. So I decided to record this video for my evening meditation. I just finished it and I did the love meditation for Sadhguru, that Chit Shakti meditation, and I'm gonna link it in the description box down below because I found it on YouTube, and of course it will be in the first week because I did that meditation once in my first week and still feeling the same feeling, guys. This is very surprising for me because usually when I do a meditation, I just, even when I cry in the first time, I don't usually cry on the second try or second time I do it. But this one, I was just like having tears coming from my eyes, like river again. I was feeling I am in the same place again, and I felt so much love, like just like before. And I just felt the love coming from inside my heart, just spreading all around me, and I felt it just coming back to me. And if as again, I feel the same way, just like the first time I did that meditation. So much love, so much joy, and I was just trying to renew the feeling that I had, but I found out I already still have the same sensation from my last time I did this meditation. It was like from 2 days ago, and I still feel the same feeling. But what like renewed in my heart that again, I don't need to do anything. I don't need to like try or like think, just want and desire what I want, and it's already done, and I don't even need to try or push or like do anything. Still have the same feeling again, just like it's renewed in my heart. And yeah, so far I still feel so amazing. And yeah, I guess tomorrow morning I will not do this meditation. I'm gonna do the chakra balance meditation because it's shorter, and at the same time I need to work on my balancing my energy centers or energy, like the chakra energy. So yeah, see you tomorrow in the morning. Hello guys, so I am like recording from work, and I wasn't able to record this video from my home this morning because I wake up late and I did my meditation. The night meditation was a love meditation. I talked about it, and the morning meditation, as I told you, it was the chakra balance meditation. And actually, I was half asleep when while I'm doing this because I didn't sleep last night. I don't sleep the day before going to work. I don't know why. I'm trying to figure it out, but I never slept before going to work. I feel like so like I'm not an anxiety, but I can't sleep. But anyway, so I was half asleep, but I still feel so beautiful, and it's still so amazing inside. And I was like drowsy this morning. I didn't eat anything last night, so like yesterday, so I was a little bit tired this morning. But actually, after I got a little bit of sugar, I become nice and beautiful, as you can see me here. Um, so is my friend sending me a message anyway. So I'm at work, and yeah, again, day 8 is successful, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow.